क्या तुमने उसे यह सिखाया कि सही ढंग से कैसे करना है? Did you teach him how to do it correctly? Did you teach him how to do it correctly? मुझे खुशी है कि मैं दूसरों के लिए उदाहरण बन सका। I am happy that I could become an example for others. I am happy that I could become an example for others. उसने कहा कि वह आगे से गलती नहीं करेगा। He said he won't make mistakes from now on. He said he will not make mistakes from now on. मैंने अपने दम पर यह जीत हासिल की। I achieved this victory on my own. I achieved this victory on my own. क्या तुमने उसे बताया कि किस चीज़ से शुरुआत करनी है? Did you tell him what to start with? Did you tell him what to start with? मुझे लगता है कि मैं सही राह पर हूँ। I think I am on the right path. I think I am on the right path. तुम्हारी चाल धीमी क्यों है आज? Why are you walking so slowly today? Why are you walking so slowly today? फ्रिज का दरवाज़ा ढंग से बंद नहीं हो रहा। The fridge door isn't shutting properly. The fridge door is not shutting properly. तुम्हारे चेहरे पर थकान साफ दिखती है। The fatigue is clearly visible on your face. The fatigue is clearly visible on your face. ये कुर्सी बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी है। This chair has become very old. This chair has become very old. तुमने शायद ठीक से नींद नहीं ली। You probably didn't sleep well. You probably did not sleep well. टेबल पर धूल जम गई है। Dust has accumulated on the table. Dust has accumulated on the table. तुम्हारी आंखों के नीचे काले घेरे हो गए हैं। You have got dark circles under your eyes. You have got dark circles under your eyes. उसने कहा कि अब उसे आत्मविश्वास महसूस हो रहा है। He said he is feeling confident now. He said he is feeling confident now. मैंने जो सीखा वह मेरे जीवन भर काम आएगा। What I have learned will help me throughout my life. What I have learned will help me throughout my life. क्या तुमने उसे यह बताया कि सही तरीका कौन सा है? Did you tell him which method is the right one? Did you tell him which method is the right one? मुझे यकीन है कि मेरे प्रयास व्यर्थ नहीं जाएंगे। I am sure my efforts won't go in vain. I am sure my efforts will not go in vain. उसने कहा कि अब वह खुद पर ज़्यादा भरोसा करता है। He said he trusts himself more now. He said he trusts himself more now. मैं हमेशा अपनी प्रगति पर गर्व महसूस करता हूँ। I always feel proud of my progress. I always feel proud of my progress. वह हमेशा सही समय पर मदद करता है। He always helps at the right time. He always helps at the right time. मैं जानता हूँ कि तुमने यह क्यों किया। I know why you did this. I know why you did this. क्या तुमने ध्यान दिया कि वह कितनी जल्दी चला गया? Did you notice how quickly he left? Did you notice how quickly he left? तुम्हारे भरोसे ने मुझे ताकत दी। Your trust gave me strength. Your trust gave me strength. उसने कहा था कि वह वादा निभाएगा। He said he would keep his promise. He said he would keep his promise. मैं इस मौके को हाथ से जाने नहीं दूंगा. I won't let this opportunity slip away. I will not let this opportunity slip away. क्या तुम्हें सच में यकीन है कि उसने ऐसा किया? Are you really sure he did that? Are you really sure he did that? उसकी बातों से मुझे बुरा लगा. His words hurt me. His words hurt me. मैंने अपने दिल की बात किसी को नहीं बताई. I never told anyone what was in my heart. I never told anyone what was in my heart. तुम्हारी हिम्मत काबिले तारीफ है. Your courage is commendable. Your courage is commendable. वह आजकल बहुत चुपचाप रहता है. He has been very quiet these days. He has been very quiet these days. तुमने कभी अपने सपनों को पूरा करने की कोशिश की है? Have you ever tried to fulfill your dreams? Have you ever tried to fulfill your dreams? उसने मुझसे कहा कि वह कल आएगा. He told me that he would come tomorrow. He told me that he would come tomorrow. क्या तुम मुझे सच बता रही हो? Are you telling me the truth? Are you telling me the truth? मैंने उससे सीधी बात करना बेहतर समझा. I thought it better to speak to him directly. I thought it better to speak to him directly. वह अपनी गलती मानने को तैयार नहीं था. He wasn't ready to admit his mistake. He was not ready to admit his mistake. क्या तुमने कभी किसी अनजान व्यक्ति की मदद की है? Have you ever helped a stranger? Have you ever helped a stranger? वह हमेशा दूसरों की मदद के लिए तैयार रहता है. He is always ready to help others. He is always ready to help others. तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करते करते मैं थक गया. I got tired of waiting for you. I got tired of waiting for you. उसकी आंखों में दर्द साफ दिखाई दे रहा था. The pain was clearly visible in his eyes. The pain was clearly visible in his eyes. मैंने यह रहस्य किसी को नहीं बताया. I didn't reveal this secret to anyone. I did not reveal this secret to anyone. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि वह झूठ बोल रहा है? Do you think he is lying? Do you think he is lying? इस रास्ते से जाना ज़्यादा सुरक्षित है. It's safer to go through this route. It's safer to go through this route. मैं तब से ही यह समझने की कोशिश कर रहा था. I have been trying to understand this since then. I have been trying to understand this since then. मुझे रास्ता खुद तय करना पड़ा. I had to decide the path myself. I had to decide the path myself. तुम्हारे अनुभव तब से ही मेरे लिए उपयोगी साबित हो रहे थे. Your experience has been proving useful to me since then. Your experience has been proving useful to me since then. मुझे अपने विचार सबके सामने रखना पड़ा. I had to present my thoughts to everyone. I had to present my thoughts to everyone. मैं तब से ही इस मौके का इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I have been waiting for this chance since then. I have been waiting for this chance since then. मुझे काम ख़त्म करना ही पड़ा. आई हैड टू फिनिश द वर्क, आई हैड टू फिनिश द वर्क। तुम्हारी मदद तब से ही मेरी उम्मीद बन रही थी। योर हेल्प हैज़ बीन माई होप सिंस देन, योर हेल्प हैज़ बीन माई होप सिंस देन। मुझे तुरंत कार्रवाई करनी पड़ी। आई हैड टू टेक इमीडिएट एक्शन, आई हैड टू टेक इमीडिएट एक्शन। तुम्हारी सोच तब से ही मुझे प्रभावित कर रही थी। योर थिंकिंग हैज़ बीन इन्फ्लुएंसिंग मी सिंस देन, योर थिंकिंग हैज़ बीन इन्फ्लुएंसिंग मी सिंस देन। मुझे अकेले ही यह जिम्मेदारी संभालनी पड़ी। I had to handle this responsibility alone. I had to handle this responsibility alone. मुझे यह कदम उठाना पड़ा। I had to take this step. I had to take this step. मैं तब से ही इस काम को सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा था। I have been trying to learn this task since then. I have been trying to learn this task since then. तुम्हारी बात तब से ही मेरे दिमाग में है। Your words have been on my mind since then. Your words have been on my mind since then. तुम्हारी सलाह तब से ही मेरी राह आसान बना रही थी। Your advice has been making my path easier since then. Your advice has been making my path easier since then. मुझे यह मौका हाथ से नहीं जाने देना पड़ा। I had to make sure I didn't let this opportunity slip away. I had to make sure I didn't let this opportunity slip away. मैं तब से ही इस चुनौती का सामना कर रहा था। I have been facing this challenge since then. I have been facing this challenge since then. मुझे जल्दी कदम उठाने पड़े। I had to take steps quickly. I had to take steps quickly. तुम्हारा रवैया तब से ही मेरी मदद कर रहा था। Your attitude has been helping me since then. Your attitude has been helping me since then. मुझे अपने फैसले पर विश्वास रखना पड़ा। I had to trust my decision. I had to trust my decision. मुझे अपने मंजिल तक पहुंचना ही पड़ा। I had to reach my destination. I had to reach my destination. तुम्हारा रवैया तब से ही बदल गया है। Your attitude has changed since then. Your attitude has changed since then. मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही चेतावनी दी थी। I had warned you beforehand. I had warned you beforehand. मुझे अचानक जाना पड़ा। I had to leave suddenly. I have to leave suddenly. तुम्हारी बातें मुझे तब से ही अजीब लग रही थी। Your words have been sounding strange to me since then. Your words have been sounding strange to me since then. मुझे जाना पड़ा। I had to go. I had to go. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो। इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड लर्न समथिंग न्यू फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो और दिस चैनल, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.